Hi, my name's Dempsey and I'm a member of the Student Survey Expedition. My project revolved around Beringbooding rock and mapping the water catchment system there. The water catchment system at Beringbooding rock exists because in the 1930s there was an influx of population due to the 3,500 farm scheme. The water tank was built to help support these people that came to the area. So the first step we're really getting was to bring control onto site. So we brought control on for a GNSS. We also scanned the tank with the RTC 360, about 27 scans all around the tank. We got the C10 out as well for distance measurements on top of the rock to get points in the internal section of the tank. In addition to this, we also flew the rock with our DJI Phantom 4 drone, capturing 988 photos. We had 9 ground control points on the ground to constrain the images to the ground, and all in order to produce a surface model of the rock. So the reason why we did the survey was to estimate how much water the catchment can collect and how much the tank can store. We also were able to calculate the total storage at the time of the tank because of the C10 scan. It's been good to be able to kind of see what surveying is like outside of uni. It's been a great opportunity. Thank you very much.